So Taylor just announced that new Laravel 11 applications will ship with a brand new minimal default exception page. So why don't we install a brand new app and take a look at this new exception page. So I'm gonna open my terminal and I'm gonna do Laravel new and create a new site here. Just gonna jump through all the options. Once that's done, what we want to do is open our editor. And what we can do is just generate an error. So let's do user equals user first. And that should generate an error, as you can see the squiggly lines, because we're not importing the namespace. All right, so let's switch over to our browser and load it up, and you can see we have the brand new error page. It says internal server error, class user not found, just as we would expect. What's cool though is this new page, of course it looks great, but it also has different modes. It has the light mode, the dark mode, and of course you can just use it with the system default. And just like any other error page, you have a full stack trace. You have all the request data, you have all the application data, and everything designed like that. This is turned on automatically when you are in debug mode. Of course, if you want to go back and use the spatie ignition, you can of course do that as well. If you look at the tweet, you can just do composer install spatie/ignition, and you're right back to normal default Laravel, the way it's worked, in the past. If you've already got an app and you update composer update, you're going to keep Laravel or the spatie ignition, so you won't need to do any changes. This is really designed for like new apps, things like that. Of course, if you want to fall back on this, you can just remove that plugin, and you'll have this new error page. So this is available as of today, and all you have to do is just create you a new app and get started with it. So thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about the new exception page.